Rastec GH. We are going to continue our tutorial. Okay, on CMD. Now, so let's open our command prompts. Let me run it as administrator. Okay, so now we all know how to move on to change the directory to different drive. So let me see. So I have, that is drive C and E here. We know how to do it. Now we are moving on to how to see the extension of any file. So you can have some extension. You want to know that is the format of that particular file. So now we are now on drive C. So let me change to drive E. So we know E, semicolon. I'm now on drive E. If you want to see the extension of any file, this is what we do. That is the association dots. Then you type the extension. So let me see. I have, that is maybe TST. Enter. You see that TST is what? Test file, right? So assert dot, that is AAC, is what? WMP11 dot assert file dot ADTS. So assert dot maybe ACC DB. Let's see. That is what? Access.application.14. So it means the ACCDB is what? Access. That's the Microsoft Access application. So that is that. So if someone send you a file and you ask the person maybe the extension, and the person inform you that the extension is what? ACCDB. So you have to see that particular software that can open that particular ACCDB. That is the format of that extension. Okay. So let's see, we have assert dot, that is association dot maybe ACCDE. Let's see that particular one too. Is what? Access dot ACCD file. So that is that. Association dot maybe that is BAT. It's what? BAT file. Association dot maybe that is, let's see, doc is what? Document. That is Microsoft Word document file. Association dot maybe docs is what? The same word, but this one is 0.8 and this one is 0.12, right? So let's see, association dot exe. That is what? Exe file. That is exe file. That is it is called executable program file. So the meaning of exe is what? Executable, that is, you can execute it, program file. Okay. And then the docs is Microsoft Word templates. So I have to tell you the BAT. The BAT is PC batch file. PC batch file. Then we have maybe association dot HTML. That is hypertext markup language. So let's see. That is file association not found. Oh, it's what? HT first. Association dot HTML. Okay, that is HTML5. The meaning of this is what? That is hypertext markup language. So we have so many files that you have to check the extension. So if you have the extension, then you see the format of that particular file. So we have association dot pps. That one is what? PowerPoint slide. So that is pps PowerPoint slide. We have ppt. Let's see something. Association dot ppt. So the same PowerPoint dot show. So this one is slide and this one is show. So if someone save a file and choose the file format or extension as the PPT, it means the moment you open it, you see that is what the slide is showing, or if the person save it in .pps, it means you have to view the slides one by one, not in the show form. Okay, so we have so many files. We have .sys, so that is Microsoft Docs and Windows system settings. So we have TST, that is on Mac test file. We have so many files, so many files, so many files. We have the zip, that is what the compressed file. So that is how we check the extension or the file format of any extension. Now let's see. We want to see the date. So if you want to change the date, assuming our date here is wrong, if you want to change it, you just type date. You see that this is the current date, right? So this is the current date. So if you want to enter new dates, then you type it in this way. Month come first, day and year. It depends on the settings of your machine. Okay, so that is that. Now, let me open it again because I don't want my camera to go off. CMD, run as administrator. Let me move on to drive E. Okay, if you want to change the time to the same thing, you type time. So this is the current time, that is 2 days 6. Then if you want to enter a new time, you are going to enter it in this form. The time, the new time that you are thinking is the correct one, the minutes, and then the seconds, that is that. Okay, so that is the way we check the extension of any file. You check the date, then you check that is the time as well. See you in the next tutorial.